Hello friends, for this trick you need a handful of coins and a willing partner to play with. So what you do is, this is how you play the trick. Throw the coins. Some coins will show up heads, some coins will show up tails. And it is advisable to define beforehand what would you call heads, what you would call tails. This we are calling tails, and where this one is appearing we call it heads. Okay, so now once all the coins are thrown, see how many coins are there. So this, when all the coins are thrown, then the mathematician will have a look at the coins. Mathematician will come and have a look at the coins, and then he will take a mental picture of this, because mathematician has photographic memory. And here is our mathematician, Mr. Shashwat Swarup Saini. So Mr. Mathematician, please take a look and then give a go ahead of counting.
Okay. Okay, give me pen. Just a second. I will recheck. Okay, so I
Okay.
have taken the picture. 15.
So he has taken the picture, and now you turn away, and now when his back is turned away, I will start turning the coins in whatever manner I like, whichever coin, any number of times, any coin I can turn. The only thing is I must announce which coin is turned. That's all. Whichever coin is turned, I have to only announce the coin is turned. So should I start?
Okay, start.
Turned,
Okay,
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 turned.
okay.
Once the coins are turned, I will hide one of the coins. I have this coin hidden here.
Here.
Okay, I have
you can
hidden.
tap this, it is going to dry.
Okay, now I have hidden one coin under this dice. Now Mr. Mathematician will look again and check which coin here, whatever coin is here, what is the face of it. The face showing is it head or is it tail. The others are showing up here. So the only thing he has to do is announce what is the face of this coin. Is it heads or is it tails? Okay, Mr. Mathematician,
Arrange
please.
it so it is easier for me.
Because I know you don't have any photographic memory, you are using some mathematical calculation. So his calculation says already 9 heads are showing up.
Okay. 9 heads are showing up. Okay. So here is tail. This one.
Here is tail.
Whoa, I
Awesome.
did the right answer.
See, you can take this with this many coins also. The only thing is, last you just see if it is odd or even. You want to play one more?
Oh, yeah, sure, it's fun. First, I was not understanding what is that, but now I get it. The last test and till the head here. It is very simple now for me.
Okay, now you can start with as low as 4 or 5 coins also, but we are going with this many coins. It makes the trick difficult, but it is fun and challenging. So what you need is a handful of coins and a willing partner, and you ask the partner to throw the coins here, and then the mathematician our mathematician has a photographic memory. So the mathematician will take a snapshot of the coin arrangement, and then what will happen, I am allowed to turn any coin any number of times and then hide one coin, and our mathematician will be able to tell the hidden coin face. The hidden coin face is heads or tails, he would be able to announce. So this is what the trick is about. Now I have thrown the coins, and the coins are waiting for Mr. Mathematician to look and then take a snapshot and do whatever magical or mathematical calculations are needed.
Okay,
So this is first step. Let mathematician look at the coins, and when he says okay, then I will start turning the coins.
we'll just keep it a little better. Okay, now let me take the snapshot. One second, this side.
You can keep shifting the coins if you want, or you can take the snapshot, or if you need, you can use a marker or whatever.
Okay, let me see.
Okay, you are recording it. So Mr. Mathematician is recording the position of the coins.
1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I should mark it, it's better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I will write here. Okay, I wrote it. Okay, now you can flip the coins whichever way you want.
Okay, so mathematician is done with taking the snapshot. Now I will start flipping the coins, and I will remove any magic markings Mr. Mathematician has left here, because maybe these are magic markings and he will be able to recognize the coins using this. I want to spoil his game. Okay, so I am allowed to turn any coin and then announce it. This is a must. Turned,
Okay,
turned,
okay,
turned, turned,
okay,
turned,
okay,
turned, turned,
okay.
turned, and this is all. Now I will hide this from here, hidden. Now please announce.
You turn it on. 9 times you turn?
Why should I remember? I am not mathematician. You tell me which face of the coin under this dice is showing up.
My marker is come apart now. Okay, anyway. Oh, here is my calculation sheet. These many numbers. Now I should have been checking it correctly now. Okay. Oh, I will just pick up those coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, my hand is very heavy now. I should keep them somewhere. 18, huh? 19, 20, 21, 21. Wow. We were playing more than 21 coins in this game. One. Let me now see if all of these are tails. No, this one not tails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, all are tail now. Okay, so now I have to count. What is this? Oh, this is also tail. Okay, so and now let me count how much I have got. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let me recount. 22 na. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, 22. Okay. Even you have a tail here.
The tail is showing up. The animal is inside, the tail is showing up. Animal is buried inside the ground and only the tail is coming out. Very nice. This was a very challenging game and you really figured it.
Okay, anyway.
With this many coins, I have seen many mathematicians fail.
Oh.
Yes,
Have you seen?
I have failed so many times
You?
because the problem is if you make one mistake, it is done. Even becomes odd becomes even. There is only a difference of 1 there, but you succeeded it. So you want,
I have a accuracy less than 1.
yes, you are more accurate than plus minus 1. So do you want me to make one more flipping session?
Oh,
And
that's
then you
easy.
also explain to the viewers how
Yeah.
did you do it.
Okay, please start.
Okay, so viewers, here Mr. Mathematician will explain how it is all done. So here is a
Okay.
new coin arrangement.
Crystal will.
Because there are so many coins, so it is difficult because he doesn't have any photographic memory or any kind of this. We are just making drama. What he is doing is he is just counting and applying some mathematical principles. This is why, in this haphazard manner, it is difficult to count the heads and tails. So once the coins are thrown, some coins will show up as heads, some coins will show up as tails. So now the coins are here.
Oh.
Okay, so coins are here. Now I will ask mathematician to have a look at the arrangement and then announce
Oh.
if
Now
we
let's
can. I can start flipping the pigeons. Oh, sorry, not the pigeon. Flipping the coins. So coin
Oh, but
flipping
they
session.
can play this trick with pizzas too.
They can play with this trick with anything they
Or maybe
fancy.
with the mobile phones also they can play. Flip this mobile, flip this mobile.
Okay, so here is a new arrangement of coins. So you throw the coins and make a beautiful picture out of it or some kind of an arrangement that looks beautiful. Now invite
What
your
is
mathematician to look at it and take a mental picture of it. You take a mental picture.
Don't shake anything. 1 second. Where's my pen? Where's the pen lost? Just give me. Oh, here I found it. Okay, boinky. Okay, it's open now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I have done it. Okay, 12. I have to write somewhere. This paper is full. I should take another paper. Enough paper. What paper? What is written here? E is equal to 16. Oh, we are already using this paper for the 10 minutes. Okay, 12 is our base. Base and emitter we have to supply voltage. So emitter to collector path opens. Okay, anyway, let's see. Ouch.
Okay, so should I start flipping it now?
Let me first keep it here. Okay, start. Oh no, I have to keep my head here because then it will not be magic. Okay.
Okay, I'm turning now.
Okay.
I'll remove all his magical markings. Maybe there is a magic here. He's played.
That's just a good for marking.
Okay, I'm turning.
Okay.
Turned.
Okay. Oh wait, Papa, one second. Okay.
Turned.
Okay.
Turned.
Okay.
Turned.
Okay.
Turned.
Okay.
Turned.
Okay.
Turned. Now I will hide this one. I will hide this. I will hide this here. Okay, done. Please come and announce what is the face of the hidden
Characteristics. Okay. Anyway, not characteristics. Okay, anyway. Okay, now let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Please don't flip any coin. 4 of them are tails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have an head here. Oh, you have nothing here. Shouldn't say
Now you
anything.
just tell me what is the face. Is it head or is it tail?
You didn't hide anything.
You tell me which is head or which is tail. Is it tail or head?
You are. This is head.
Show here. So he says it is heads. Open this.
Oh, you have kept it here this time. Heads.
Correct. Your prediction is very right.
Oh, that's
Awesome.
why you have kept it there
Awesome.
this time. Okay. So again, I have accuracy of
Yes, you are very good.
minus.
Very good.
Okay.
You want to explain the trick to them?
Yeah, sure. I was just waiting for this
Okay.
moment to come.
Okay, so this time Mr. Mathematician will explain to you how the trick works. So whenever you are asked to throw the coins, you make it in a arrangement, kind of a beautiful geometrical arrangement. Don't throw it in a haphazard manner because
You know.
we are mathematicians, we like patterns. So when I am asked to throw the coins, I arrange it in this manner, but still I change the faces. See, the heads become tail, tail becomes head, like that. So
But
Okay.
that's no issue.
This is my way of throwing the coins. So when I am asked to throw the coins, I throw it in this way. So okay, so I have,
You
The-
also keep flipping some of the coins.
yes, I do.
Flip
I
this.
flip the coins in like the pizza maker keeps flipping the pizzas like that. So
But if we flip the pizza when the pizza is almost ready and the cheese is melting, then if you flip it, the cheese will come on
okay,
the
so
table.
now
Okay.
this is kind of all the coins are thrown. Some are showing up heads, some are showing up tails. Now it is
Most of them are
mathematician's
tails.
job to take a mental picture of it. He doesn't have any photography memory. He is playing some trick. Now Mr. Mathematician, please reveal your trick so others can also benefit and other kids can also play. Because watching you play is fine, but they should also become enabled, they should also become powerful. We want everybody to understand the trick. Kindly
You
explain.
didn't take the number which has triangle anyway. Okay, so what I simply do, that's why I mark, because see, one head,
You mark all the heads in your mind or using a marker or whatever. You remember how many heads are showing up. Heads. You mark all the heads. Here all tails, only one head. Here all tails, only one head. Only all tails, so only heads he is marking and remembering.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9.
9.
So
And
now-
once the head is marked,
Now-
remove the markings
Okay, remove the marking and
and then say to your partner, now you start flipping, but before you ask him to flip, remove your marking, as a mathematician should not reveal his tricks.
okay, 9. And then,
And then write the number here 9. He has
okay,
written 9.
so as I flip one coin,
Now,
you can bring it a bit closer.
okay.
Okay, so now as I flip a coin, I write, and this is done. I say 10. 10.
Okay, so when it is my job, I will flip a coin. You have already flipped one coin?
Yes.
Okay, so now I flip one more coin and he writes 11. I flip one more coin, turned,
13,
turned,
14,
turned,
14,
turned,
15,
turned.
16.
Okay, now I will
Let's
hide
stop at
one coin.
16.
I will hide one coin here.
Okay.
Now
so
the mathematician comes and what he does, he will explain.
Okay, now what? Now you don't have to take your marker and mark anything. Now the game is at the end. So now, see, this is all tail. You just keep taking all the heads. Oh, you kept this pen. This one. And I just take all the heads I see.
So what he is doing is he is counting how many heads are showing up. And if the heads are, the number of
See,
heads
now-
are a even number or an odd number, that's all.
That's all I have to see. Now, but remember that 16, huh? Don't go away and just throw away 16. You have to remember 16. So I just feel all of these are just, these tails. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them are tails. I have the heads. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now see, here is even number, and see, 7 is an odd number. So in here you have a head. You created an even number. So now I had 8 and this was hiding here. So I now have removed it. So like this you can check that which have the head and tail. Afterwards you can mix them up then when the game finishes. So I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed,